to everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about another one, basic C program. In this program, we are going to solve the equations. So first, what I'm going to do it here is first I'm giving the comment section. I'm giving the messages. So this is the program to solve the equation to solve the equations. It can be of any equations, but for an example here I am taking x plus 2xy plus y. Okay, so this is the equations that we are going to solve it. And next, as usual, we have to include the header file hash include stdio.h and then hash include conio.h. Next you can include the void main section, then open curly braces, close curly braces. So this is the basic things that we have to do it for all the programs. At first we have to look this equations. In this program we have to solve the equations x plus 2xy plus y. So this is the equation to be solved. So first what we have to do it means first we have to declare these variables. So we can type it as int x comma y at first. And then the result we have to store it in a particular variable. So we can give it as res. Here for the x and y I have taken the data type integer because they haven't mentioned any type of data. So we have declared these variables in terms of integer. If the input variables belongs to the data type integer means definitely the result will also be an integer only. That's why here I have declared the output variable of the data type integers. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do it here means I'm first going to clear my screen. So CLR SCR. Then I have to get an input from the user. But here the two input variables. So percentage D. Since the data type of the X and Y is here at first you have to prompt the user. So enter the two numbers. Then you can make use of scanf statement. Percentage D I'm using here because the input variables belongs to the data type integer. Okay, then close this one. Put ampersand x comma address of y. That's all. So you got an input for the variables x and y. Next you have to write res equal to. You have to write that equations as it is. So x plus 2 into, so you have to type here as a 2 into, manually you can understand it as a 2xy. It's for manual calculations. You can easily understand 2xy mean for 2 into x into y, but for the compiler we have to give the detailed information. So you have to type 2 into and then x into y. Okay, so here in order to get the clarity you can open the parentheses and you can close it. Then you just type plus here and then put y here, put semicolon. That's all. So now you have calculated the value. We have to print the output. So printf. Here you can give the messages. The result for the equation is The result for the equation is, okay, here if you print that output variable here means you have to make use of the type specifier here. So type the conversion character percentage and then type specifier D and then type that variable as RES. Okay. So next to this one you have to type the getch function. Okay. So that's all about the program. So we have written the program now. What I am going to do it now, next process is compilation. So Alt F9 and then I am going to run my program. So run it. So enter the two numbers. Actually here we are going to enter the value of x and y. The value of x here I am giving as 12 and the value of y I am giving here as 1. Now the result is 37. You just think about that equations, x plus 2xy plus y. So the value of x is 12 and the value of y is 1 means 12 plus 2 into 12 into 1. Okay. So which will be equal to 24, right? So 12 plus 24 plus value of y means value of y is 1. So the equation is 12 plus 24 plus 1. So that the answer is 37. Okay. Now the cursor is blinking. So you have to press any key so that the get ch, because we have included the get ch, no. So just press the key. So the execution gets stopped and returns back to the input screen. Okay. So this is about the program. In case if you are having any doubt in this program, kindly post your queries in the comment section. Thank you.